Welcome, everyone, and thank you for joining us today. I'm excited to introduce our topic, the Comprehensive Agreements Management Solution. On this first slide, you'll see the main title, along with the subtitle highlighting how we're streamlining contract lifecycle management through AI-driven automation and centralized control. Over the course of this presentation, we'll explore how this innovative solution can simplify your contract processes, improve efficiency, and give you better control. So, let's get started and discover how this powerful tool can benefit your organization. Let's take a look at our agenda overview for today. We'll start by diving into our comprehensive agreements management solution, where I'll highlight the key benefits and some exciting upcoming improvements. Then, we'll move on to a summary of the core features and workflows, giving you a clear understanding of how the system functions in practice. Next, we'll have a live demo to illustrate real-world applications of the solution, showing you how it can be used effectively. Finally, I'll share some internal usage examples to demonstrate how our team is leveraging the agreements solution in everyday operations. This presentation is designed to give you a thorough overview of the capabilities and advantages of the agreements solution, connecting all these points to the broader goal of streamlining our agreement processes and enhancing efficiency. Let's take a closer look at some common business document types and their examples. Master agreements and training manuals set the overarching guidelines and instructions for an organization. They are crucial for ensuring consistency and compliance across different teams and processes. Moving on, service agreements and statements of work, or SOWS, are specific to defining the scope and terms of services provided. These are key to maintaining clear business relationships and operational clarity. Next, real estate contracts and lease agreements govern property transactions. They play a vital role in ensuring legal compliance and clarifying operational responsibilities. Then, we have sales and purchase agreements, which outline the terms for buying and selling goods or services. These documents are essential for maintaining trust and clarity in business dealings. Finally, employment contracts and engagement letters define the terms of employment, making sure both parties are on the same page and helping with legal compliance. And organizations also manage non-disclosure agreements, or NDAs, to protect sensitive information and ensure confidentiality in their dealings. All these document types support our overall goal of structured, compliant, and transparent business operations. Let's talk about some of the key challenges organizations face with business documents. One major issue is managing expiration and renewal dates manually. This process can be quite cumbersome and prone to errors, leading to missed deadlines or lapses in compliance. Additionally, it's surprising to see that between 75% and 90% of organizations don't have standardized processes in place for managing agreements. This lack of consistency really impacts operational efficiency because everyone is handling things differently, which can cause confusion and delays. Another common challenge is locating signed agreements when they're needed. According to EY, 68% of organizations struggle with finding their agreements quickly, which can slow down decision-making or cause delays in critical processes. Then there are delays caused by inefficient review and negotiation workflows. When these steps aren't streamlined, it takes longer to finalize agreements, and that can hold up entire projects or transactions. Finally, many organizations face issues with drafting agreements. Without a structured process, documents can become inconsistent, leading to errors or ambiguities that might cause further complications down the line. All of these challenges highlight why a comprehensive agreements management solution is so important. It helps to address these pain points and improve overall efficiency and accuracy. Let's take a closer look at the agreements solution. This is a comprehensive agreements management system designed to streamline how we handle contracts within Microsoft 365. Right now, it's in preview, which means we're testing and refining it. We expect it to be widely available in fall or autumn, making it accessible to more users soon. The main goal here is to accelerate the entire contract process, from drafting and reviewing to finalizing agreements. By centralizing management, It provides a single place to oversee all agreements and gain valuable insights. This helps ensure consistency and efficiency across the board. Additionally, the solution aims to standardize processes for creating and approving contracts, reducing manual effort and minimizing errors. The SharePoint Agreements AI solution is really about bringing a modern, automated approach to contract lifecycle management, making our workflows faster and more transparent. Overall, this tool embodies our vision of smarter, more efficient contract management within the Microsoft 365 environment, helping us save time and improve accuracy every step of the way. Let's take a closer look at the key features of our agreements solution. First, it offers comprehensive agreements management, which means you can handle all your contracts in one centralized platform. This includes importing agreements and extracting relevant metadata, making it easier to organize and access your documents. Next, we have advanced reporting and notifications. This feature keeps you updated on the status of your contracts, including upcoming expirations, so you can stay on top of renewals and deadlines without any surprises. Automation plays a big role here as well, with automated approval and signature request workflows. This streamlines the entire approval process, saving time and reducing manual effort. When it comes to drafting agreements, our solution supports dynamic fields and conditional sections. This means you can create flexible, customizable contracts that adapt based on specific conditions or data inputs, making drafting much more efficient. Finally, there's template creation and management. You can build reusable contract formats that save you time and ensure consistency across your agreements. Altogether, these features are designed to make agreement management smarter, faster, and more reliable, tying directly into the overall goal of creating a seamless, integrated contract lifecycle process. Now, let's talk about organizing agreements in a secure location, which is a crucial part of our comprehensive agreements management solution. First, having all your contracts stored securely in one centralized workspace helps streamline access and management. It's all about keeping your agreements safe and easy to find whenever you need them. Next, we have automated alerts and notifications. These are designed to proactively remind you about upcoming renewals, so nothing slips through the cracks. It's about staying ahead and managing renewals efficiently without last-minute stress. We also offer comprehensive reporting features. You can view detailed reports on active, expiring, and expired contracts, giving you clear visibility into your agreement lifecycle at a glance. Searching and categorizing agreements is made effortless with advanced filtering options. You can quickly find agreements by type or status, saving time and reducing hassle. And for a seamless onboarding process, bulk import of signed agreements is supported, with AI-driven metadata extraction. This means the system automatically pulls out key details from your documents, making organization even smarter and faster. Altogether, these features form a secure, organized, and intelligent system for managing your agreements, fitting seamlessly into the larger picture of effective contract oversight. Now, let's look at how our solution makes agreement creation both standardized and automated. One of the key features is the ability to display clauses depending on contract values or service types. This means the system intelligently shows the relevant clauses, making the process more efficient and reducing errors. Next, we have automated approval routing. This feature routes approvals based on predefined workflows, ensuring that the right people review and approve at the right stages without manual intervention. It streamlines the approval process and speeds things up. We also offer digitized templates that include fields and conditional sections. These adapt dynamically depending on the specifics of the contract, which saves time and ensures consistency across agreements. And finally, our native integration with Microsoft Word provides a seamless drafting experience. You can work within a familiar environment, making edits and ensuring your agreements are polished and professional. Altogether, these features align with our goal of making agreement management smarter, faster, and more reliable. let's take a look at how the AI infusion in agreement solution enhances our overall contract management process. First, you'll notice that AI capabilities significantly speed up review cycles. This means contracts get reviewed faster, saving us time and allowing for quicker decision-making. It also helps us improve compliance monitoring, making sure all agreements adhere to our standards and regulations. Next, the system extracts key metadata from imported signed agreements, providing valuable insights at a glance. This metadata extraction is crucial for understanding the contract's context and details without manual effort. We also support seamless e-signature integration with popular platforms like Microsoft 365, Adobe, and DocuSign. This integration simplifies the signing process, making it smooth and efficient for all parties involved. Additionally, the solution can classify clauses and identify deviations or risks within contracts. This helps us spot potential issues early and manage risks proactively. Finally, the AI-powered review automatically compares agreements against our company playbooks and rules, ensuring consistency and compliance across all contracts. Overall, these AI-driven features are designed to make contract management smarter, faster, and more reliable, aligning perfectly with our goal of streamlining legal and commercial workflows. Let's talk about security and compliance in agreements management. This is a crucial part of our comprehensive agreements management solution. First, a robust security framework is essential because it helps build trust with our stakeholders and reduces the risks associated with managing contracts. When we implement strong security measures, we can confidently handle sensitive information without fear of breaches. Next, compliance with industry standards is vital. It ensures that we're protecting data privacy and meeting legal requirements, which is not just about avoiding penalties, but also about maintaining our reputation and trustworthiness. Transparency and accountability are also key. By maintaining audit trails and versioning, we can track every change made to a document, ensuring that everything is transparent and that we can be held accountable for our actions. Role-based access controls and permissions are another important aspect. They safeguard sensitive documents by making sure only authorized individuals can access certain information, adding an extra layer of security. Finally, all agreements are stored within the secure Microsoft 365 environment. This provides a reliable, protected storage space that integrates seamlessly with our other tools, reinforcing our overall security posture. Together, these elements create a strong foundation for managing agreements securely and compliantly, aligning with our goal of delivering trustworthy and reliable contract management solutions. Now, let's take a look at some of the key industry-specific scenarios where our comprehensive agreements management solution really makes a difference. Starting with the entertainment sector, we see player contracts, media partnerships, and artwork agreements. These are complex and require careful oversight, especially when managing multiple stakeholders. Moving to sports and entertainment, service agreements and power purchase contracts are common, often involving large, high-stakes negotiations that benefit from streamlined management. In aerospace and aviation, data protection agreements and product supplier agreements are critical, given the sensitive nature of data and the importance of reliable supply chains. When we turn to consumer products, managing agreements with suppliers and partners ensures quality and compliance across the board. In the financial sector, investment banking deals and risk assessment agreements are vital, requiring precise tracking and risk mitigation strategies. Financial services also involve extensive supplier contract management and master agreements that need to be easily accessible and manageable. Public sector contracts include NDAs, statements of work, and onboarding agreements, each essential for transparency and compliance in government dealings. And in healthcare and pharma, managing various agreements, from research collaboration to licensing, is crucial for smooth operations and regulatory adherence. Throughout all these industries, the common theme is that effective agreements management helps organizations reduce risk, improve compliance, and streamline operations. This slide underscores how versatile and vital our solution is across different sectors, aligning perfectly with our overall goal of simplifying complex contract management processes. Now, let's take a closer look at our comprehensive agreements management solution. We've received positive feedback from both our customers and our internal teams, especially regarding how easy it is to use. This kind of internal adoption really highlights the practical benefits of our approach to contract management in real-world scenarios. One of the key advantages is the ability to offer various service levels and durations that are tailored specifically to our customers' needs. This flexibility helps us serve different client requirements effectively. Additionally, our solution allows us to manage agreements seamlessly from the initial drafting stage all the way through to expiration. This comprehensive management ensures nothing falls through the cracks and keeps everything streamlined. To support this, Intelligy leverages the SharePoint agreement solution internally. This tool enables us to create customized service agreements, particularly for our managed support services. Overall, this approach not only improves efficiency, but also enhances our ability to meet individual client needs more precisely. Let's take a closer look at our comprehensive agreements management solution. This system uses conditional sections to ensure that each contract is tailored accurately without the need for manual edits. Essentially, it intelligently manages clauses, improving the relevance of each contract and significantly reducing drafting errors. Now, moving on to the benefits of this intelligent clause management. For example, if the total value of the contract exceeds £5,000, the system automatically includes additional clauses that are relevant to higher value agreements. This helps us ensure that all necessary provisions are included based on the specific circumstances. Another key feature is value-based clause inclusion. If the service name matches call-off service, the system dynamically inserts specific call-off sections that are pertinent to that service type. This customization ensures clarity and precision for different service scenarios. Finally, the system is designed to dynamically adjust the contract content based on key variables. This flexibility means contracts can adapt in real time, making our process more efficient and reducing the risk of errors. Overall, this intelligent clause management aligns perfectly with our goal of creating smarter, more accurate service agreements. Let's take a closer look at the demo overview. Here, we're focusing on our comprehensive agreements management solution, which is designed to streamline every stage of the contract lifecycle. Starting with viewing signed agreements and generating reports on contract status. This feature provides real-time visibility into your contracts, making it easier to track progress and ensure compliance. Moving on to post-signature insights, this allows you to attach supporting documents and complete e-signature workflows seamlessly, ensuring everything related to the agreement is organized and accessible. Next, the e-signature workflows are designed to simplify the signing process, making it faster and more secure for all parties involved. When it comes to drafting agreements, you can leverage templates and AI-powered clause analysis. This helps you create accurate, consistent documents quickly while ensuring legal soundness. Creating templates with fields and conditional sections is another key feature, enabling you to customize agreements for different scenarios without starting from scratch each time. Finally, we'll overview the agreements app itself and its workspace layout, so you understand how all these features come together in a user-friendly environment designed to boost productivity and collaboration. Overall, this overview highlights how our solution covers every phase, from drafting and signing to managing and analyzing contracts, empowering your team to work more efficiently and confidently. Let's take a closer look at how our demo showcases the workspace and template creation process. First, you'll see how we ensure consistency across all agreements, which is crucial for maintaining brand integrity and compliance. Next, we'll explore how streamlining the management process saves time and reduces errors. Moving on to simplifying template management, You'll notice how dynamic content can be incorporated into contracts, allowing for more flexible and personalized agreements. We also demonstrate how agreements can be tailored based on specific conditions, making each contract more relevant and accurate. Then we'll look at setting up conditional logic. This is where customizable fields and sections come into play, enabling you to create smarter, more adaptable templates. Following that, we'll cover designing templates that are tailored to your unique needs, ensuring they fit your specific requirements perfectly. Finally, I'll walk you through accessing templates and agreements seamlessly within the workspace. Navigating this environment is intuitive and efficient, helping you find what you need quickly and manage your agreements with ease. All of these features work together to make your agreement management more consistent, efficient, and adaptable, integral parts of our overall solution. Now, let's dive into the demo of our drafting and clause AI analysis. On this slide, you'll see the key features of our comprehensive agreements management solution. First, it streamlines agreement generation, making the process faster and more efficient. This directly improves contract quality by reducing errors and ensuring consistency. Next, drafting efficiency is a major benefit. It helps us create contracts more quickly while maintaining standards. The system also ensures compliance with company policies by highlighting deviations or missing clauses, which is crucial for risk management. Moving on to clause analysis, this feature accelerates the drafting process further by intelligently analyzing clauses to identify potential issues early. It also reduces risk by catching inconsistencies or gaps before the contract is finalized. Our AI-assisted review takes this a step further by generating agreements from templates with pre-populated data, saving time and effort. It analyzes clauses for compliance with company standards and highlights deviations or missing clauses, helping us ensure high-quality contracts. The key demo features we're showcasing here are all about efficiency, accuracy, and risk mitigation, integrating AI seamlessly into our agreement management workflow to make the process smarter and more reliable. Now, let's take a closer look at how our attachments and e-signature functionality enhance our agreements management. This integration truly streamlines the finalization and storage of contracts, making the entire process more efficient. One of the key benefits is the ability to easily track the signature status. You can see at a glance who has signed and who still needs to, and all signed agreements are stored securely, ensuring compliance and easy access when needed. We also support initiating e-signature requests through popular providers like Microsoft 365 eSignature, Adobe, or DocuSign. This means you can send out signature requests directly from our platform, simplifying the process and reducing delays. And don't forget, attaching relevant supporting documents to your agreements is straightforward. You can add all necessary files to ensure your contracts are complete and ready for review or signature. Altogether, these features help us finalize contracts faster, keep everything organized, and ensure everything is securely stored, all critical parts of a comprehensive agreements management solution. Let's take a closer look at the demo on viewing signed agreements and reporting. This slide introduces our comprehensive agreements management solution, which is designed to give you better visibility and control throughout the entire contract lifecycle. One of the key features is enhanced contract lifecycle control. This means you can stay on top of all your contracts, from creation to renewal, more effectively than ever before. We use automated alerts to help you manage renewals proactively, so you're never caught off guard by expiration dates or renewal deadlines. Another important aspect is proactive renewal management. By leveraging these alerts, you can initiate renewal discussions early, ensuring continuity and avoiding gaps in service or compliance issues. The system also allows you to generate detailed reports on your contracts, whether they are active, nearing expiration, or already expired. These reports are vital for strategic planning and compliance tracking. And finally, accessing signed agreements is straightforward within a secure workspace, giving you quick and safe access whenever needed. All of these features together empower you to manage your agreements more efficiently, minimize risks, and make informed decisions, ultimately supporting the overall goal of streamlined, transparent contract management. Now, let's take a look at the summary of features and benefits that our comprehensive agreements management solution offers. First, you'll notice how it enhances efficiency, reduces risk, and improves contract visibility. These are key to streamlining your contract processes and gaining better control over your agreements. Moving on to enhanced efficiency and visibility, this platform is designed to support industry adaptability, meaning it can handle a wide variety of contract scenarios across different sectors. This flexibility ensures it fits seamlessly into your existing workflows. Next, we have centralized management. All agreement types, be they contracts, amendments, or addendums, are securely stored and managed in one unified location. This centralization not only improves security, but also makes it easier to access and oversee your documents. Then there's AI integration, which brings powerful capabilities like clause analysis, metadata extraction, and compliance checks. These AI features help you quickly identify key contract elements and ensure everything aligns with your policies and standards. Finally, automation plays a crucial role. The system automates drafting, review, approval, and signature workflows, reducing manual effort and speeding up your contract lifecycle. Together, these features create a robust, efficient, and adaptable solution that supports your contractual needs from start to finish. Now, let's take a look at our roadmap and upcoming features for our comprehensive agreements management solution. One of the key developments we're focusing on is expanding AI workflows. This will enable us to perform deeper clause classification and better deviation detection, which means more accurate and efficient contract analysis. We're aiming to roll this out by September 30th, 2024. Another important enhancement is support for external users, whether they are guests, B2B partners, or B2C customers, within our agreements workflows. This feature is scheduled for release by June 15th, 2024, and will greatly improve collaboration and transparency. Additionally, we're introducing secure shared channels for client relationship management, specifically designed to facilitate secure communication with external users. This will be available by March 1st, 2024. And finally, we're working on auto-generated redlining tools that will automate contract review and negotiation, saving time and reducing manual effort. This feature is targeted for release by January 15th, 2024. All of these upcoming features are aligned with our goal to make contract management smarter, more collaborative, and more secure. Now, let's take a closer look at how our integration with Microsoft 365 CoPilot is shaping the future of comprehensive agreements management. This solution supports early access programs, allowing us to gather feedback and make ongoing improvements that refine the user experience. What's truly exciting is that this integration represents a major step forward in AI-powered contract lifecycle management, making processes smarter, faster, and more intuitive. With these advancements, we're unlocking deeper insights into contract data, which helps us make better-informed decisions. Plus, routine tasks like drafting and reviewing agreements are increasingly automated, saving time and reducing errors. This automation doesn't just streamline workflows, it also provides valuable insights that help us understand and optimize our contract processes. Another key point is the intelligent assistance integrated into daily workflows. Whether it's guiding users through complex tasks or suggesting improvements, AI is making everyday work more efficient and less burdensome. And finally, by leveraging AI tuning, we can enhance agreement drafting and review. This means smarter, more accurate documents, drafted with greater precision and reviewed with the support of intelligent suggestions. Overall, this integration truly exemplifies how AI is transforming contract management into a more proactive, insightful, and efficient function, bringing us closer to the future of work. Now, let's talk about how you can get involved in the Early Access Program. This program offers a comprehensive agreements management solution that's designed to make contract handling more efficient and streamlined within Microsoft 365. Participants in this program get the chance to gain early hands-on experience with some of the most advanced features we've developed. These features are specifically designed to simplify and improve the way contracts are managed, giving you a real edge in your workflows. What's really exciting is that this program allows you to explore and influence the future of our SharePoint Agreements AI solution before it's available to the wider public. It's a unique opportunity to see these innovations firsthand and provide feedback that can shape their development. By participating, you're not just an observer, you're actively contributing to the evolution of this technology. So, if you're interested in staying ahead of the curve and helping us refine these tools, I encourage you to consider joining the Early Access program.